You know that moment. You just press a button and your car starts. But how does it actually work? It's called keyless entry and start. When you approach the car, antennas in the door handle send a signal. Your key fob responds with an encrypted code. If it's valid, the immobilizer system deactivates, unlocking the engine. Then you press the start button. The car's computer instantly sends power to the starter motor. It begins turning the engine's crankshaft, fuel, and airflow into the cylinders. And just like that, the engine roars to life. Pretty slick, right? And that's just one piece of the genius inside modern cars. Hit that subscribe button. There's so much more to uncover.